Hey guys, thanks for joining us on another edition of our install videos. Today we're going to show you how to install the 5055 Polyurea Primer. The 5055 Polyurea Primer is a fast-drying two-component primer designed to have superior adhesion to concrete and provide a good base coat to broadcast decorative flakes into. As a green product, the 5055 is a 95% solids product with low VOC. As always, before we start, we want to make sure we have the appropriate safety gear. Before you apply the 5055, it is important to properly prepare the surface. Fill any cracks or divots with our 4930 and grind the concrete with 3040 grit diamonds. To get started with the 5055, you'll first need to pre-mix the A components thoroughly. Once that's done, transfer it to a mixing bucket, then add the B component and mix the materials for about 90 seconds or until you achieve a thorough and even consistency. This step is important to ensure the primer is properly mixed and ready to provide optimal performance. Now that you've mixed the 5055, you're ready to apply it to your surface. Begin by applying the product in 3-inch ribbons across the floor. Then use a 3-nap lip-free roller to spread it evenly. Alternatively, you can use a 5 to 7 mil notch squeegee as shown in the video. For corners or cut-ins, you may use a 3-inch brush or weenie roller. Since the 5055 has a fast cure time, it is important to work quickly and efficiently. To ensure a uniform look, have someone backroll the product as you apply it. This will help to reduce or even eliminate squeegee marks or roller marks. After backrolling the 5055, you can start broadcasting the flakes into the primer. Here's a pro tip. If you want to ensure full coverage, try doing a medium broadcast first and coming back with another medium broadcast. This will give you a more even finish and complete coverage of the primer with the flakes. After 90 minutes, you can now scrape your flakes using a flat blade scraper, making sure to scrape all sides of the floor. Then sweep up the excess flakes and vacuum the debris. You are now ready to apply your favorite versatile top coat. For our demonstration, we are using the 5085 Ultra High Solids Polyaspartic as our top coat. The overall result is a completely high gloss finish floor that your customers will love for years to come. At Versatile, we're constantly innovating to bring you the best coatings on the market. If you have any questions, visit our website or give us a call.